Abarth, the performance division of Fiat, is expanding its electric lineup with the introduction of the Abarth 600e, set to become its most powerful product yet. This larger sibling to the all-electric Abarth 500e is expected to make a statement in the automotive world, potentially earning a spot in popular films like Cars. While details are still limited, the Abarth 600e is projected to produce around 240 bhp, a significant increase over the standard Fiat 600e's 115 kW electric motor and 54 kWh lithium-ion battery pairing. This power boost should result in a considerably faster 0-60 mph time, likely improving upon the standard car's 8.7 seconds, and a top speed exceeding 93 mph, possibly surpassing 100 mph. To handle the increased power, the Abarth 600e will feature upgrades such as a limited slip differential and larger brakes with a larger surface area. These enhancements, combined with Formula E-inspired compound tires, are expected to improve cornering performance and overall driving dynamics. Additionally, efforts to reduce weight are anticipated, potentially resulting in improved agility and acceleration. Despite heavy camouflage on the pre-production car, some design changes are noticeable. The front bumper appears to have been refreshed for a more squared-off look, while the side skirts have been streamlined, likely for improved aerodynamics. The rear spoiler has also been updated with straight, right-angle corners, departing from the arched standard version. Overall, the Abarth 600e presents a visually appealing package, signaling exciting developments in the electric performance car segment.